Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to delete a Grok chat history. All right. As you can see here, I am on X. And what we're going to do first is just go head over to Grok right here. The first option here to delete your history is just by going to this chat history button right here and click on it. Now, once done, you'll be able to see all of your chat history with Grok. So basically just tap or click on the 3 dots beside it. All right. Click on it and just hit on delete. Now, if you wanted to delete all of your prompts and chats or saved bookmarks or images, just go ahead over to the left pane right here. All right. Now click on more. Click on it and go ahead over to settings and privacy. Click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and locate privacy and safety, then click on it. Once done, go ahead and go to the data sharing and personalization section. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to Grok and the third-party collaborations. And as you can see here, you have the option to delete conversation history. Just click on it and hit on delete. Now, when we go back to our Grok and refresh it, as you can see, we have just deleted our Grok chat history. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.